Today, me and my friend are sneaking out of the house right now. Shoot! The tape isn't in it. We'll just take turns. Right? We're gonna hop on our bikes and leave. Go. Okay, guys. So can you film me? So muddy. Alright, guys. Okay, let's put on the light too. Put on this light. Yeah. I don't even have a jacket on. It's fine. Well, maybe that. Alright, guys. Let's go. Alright, I'll see you guys outside. Alright, guys. I'm on Eco right now. We're outside of my house. Let's zoom away. Where should we go? Everyone's gone. If you're looking at my friend's POV, everyone is gone. It's almost fully killed. Where should we go? Should we head to the park? Yeah, let's go. So you can't break like that. I'm gonna run you over. Did I see? I would probably be grounded for my bike for a week. Okay, we're going back. No, I'm kidding. They wouldn't. Let's go. To the park and then we'll head back. That's so creepy.
Bro, the foot pegs are to my knees.
Huh?
The foot pegs are to my knees.
We're at the park. It's 2 minutes away from my house. Parkour, bro. Look at this. Oh yeah? I'm a gymnastics person. You ready? Should I do a cartwheel? It's so creepy over there. I'm gonna do a cartwheel. Into the abyss. I'm gonna run down there. So, yeah. Alright, film me.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Something's moving in the bushes. He says he's flew something. He was behind me. Something was moving in the bushes. That's crazy. I'm not even lying.
We gotta head back.
They said?
No. We're cooked if we don't.
Let's go. I'm gonna go in stealth. Try and be quiet. I see them. They're looking for us. Okay, going up.
Alright, we'll see you guys back inside. Guys, we just made it in from outside. We snuck out and no one noticed. We should have stayed out there for longer. My toes got shredded up because on the way bringing the bike in, I revved the engine. My toe was under it. It hurts, but you gotta do what you gotta do when risks are on the line. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And have a great night, a great day. God bless you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.